Everywhere it's an elliptical shape here. We will try to make the changes. Another design. Explore the further shapes. We will try to use the designs here. Add another shape there. So we will use another shape again there. It's the razor tool as well. So keep editing there. We will make the changes. Use the shape there. Also keep editing there. That's the